How to start a DevOps transformation. First of all, you want to select the right project. Select a project which is small to mid-sized. Why? Because with a small to mid-sized project you don't get into too much politics, decision making gets easier, and also everything around that project gets not paralyzed too much. If you select a too big project, it gets very difficult. Then you should get the right people on board. The rule of thumb here is get generalists over specialists, but also get here people which are well known and have a great influence in the company. Choose here people which are more or less early adopters. Then you want to start with the project, and the first thing you want to do is focus on the flow of value from development into production to the customer, so that you can generate value for the customer. There you need to focus on small batch sizes and very early release cycles, so release more often, and also focus on quality and automation. After that, you want to focus on the feedback. This is this line here. You want to get feedback from production, from the customer. There you need to have a proper monitoring. You need to gather feedback from the customer side, so that you can take together with the business the right decisions which new features should be implemented for the customer, and also to resolve issues in production very early, so that the customer satisfaction is as high as possible. And last, you want to focus on the culture. You want to establish a culture of trust, of experimentation, where you can continuously improve the process and also the whole team and the product. Doing a DevOps transformation is no witchcraft. You need to start small, focus on the right people, choose the right people, then bring value as fast as possible into production to the client, get feedback from production and from the client, and work on a continuous improvement culture where you have a long